Extend your nails fast. Enjoy your style. Day 2. What's up, Kurlz crew, and welcome again to my channel. If you are new here, I am Kurlz. Welcome. Well, today I am going to be sharing with you guys this KASTINY Polygel nail kit. So I am going to do my nails, which are these here. And I'm going to unbox and show you everything that does come into this kit. And you guys are even going to get to see me do them. Yeah, so if you guys are interested in that, please keep watching.
Little Karen with a spicy curl, a curly apple in a cup hair. 19 when I tried to relax her. Oh man, what a disaster. 23 when I cut it all off. 24 when I got on natural.
Today, because this is all flower and florally, and this is also just after Mother's Day, I have some flowers. I just figured it'd make the place look a little nicer. I also got this lovely new chair cover, so it looks a little bit prettier for you guys, and it's very soft. Very, very, very soft. I love it. Now, it's not that bold black whatever it was, right? You know, so it looks nice. But anyway, let's open up this nail kit, okay? So, first off, I love the packaging. It is super pretty. Love it. Ignore Caleb in the background, okay, guys? Just go with it for me. Anyway, so opening it up, look at that. And there are 2 rows in here. So there's the top row and the bottom. So I'm going to show you guys what's in the top. So of course they have their user manual. Sorry guys, my ring light always leaves like this weird glare and you guys can't see, but user manual. And then, of course, we have our 10 colors. Let me see if I can get them to stay in so I can show you guys them all together. Look at that. So there are 10 colors that come in this kit. And the 10 colors are diamond pink. This one is white, natural pink, dark pink, brown coffee, bean coffee, diamond silver, and clear. Now, I didn't get to pick any of my colors. I don't know if that's something that you are able to do. That's not something I could figure out doing, so I kind of just had to go with whatever colors were in the kit. But there are a few different options for the kits, so you can pick whichever color options you're going to be looking for. So also that was in this was the UV nail lamp, and I'm going to tell you guys, I was super skeptical about this thing at first because look at it. It's so little. It's so little. But I'm going to tell you guys, it's amazing. So just open it up. There's also a user manual for that. And then it comes packaged very nicely. And this is what's going to throw you off a little bit because it just looks like a flat little, you know, like board or whatever, but it's not. So just make sure you open the legs at the bottom and you just put your hand directly under it. And then it has the little charger attachment piece that goes to it. So super cool. It is on the shorter side, so make sure that you can be somewhere near an outlet. I don't know if you guys have what am I thinking of? Oh, extension cords that you're going to want to try and put this in. I plug this directly into my ring light because it does have a little port where I can plug this in, and for the most part it worked pretty good. I didn't have any issues with it. So again, extension cords may be okay. So let's move on to what else is in here. So let's just move this stuff out of the way. And the bottom comes with a whole bunch of goodies. So let me show you guys. Oops, I dropped one of them. So that's what this is. Oh, all right. So let's show you guys. So they have here for you your nail forms. These are not the easiest to use if you're not used to using nail forms. Watch a couple videos to learn how to use this first. I had to do the same exact thing, and you guys are gonna know what I'm talking about once you try to use this. But once I get a better, you know, idea of how to use these, I will do a tutorial and show you guys what steps I used and what was easier for me to be able to use it. So moving on from the nail forms, but then these are the gems here. So you have your plastic nail forms, and they look just like nail tips. They look just like nail tips. So you just literally put enough gel on there for your finger and apply it, okay? But we're gonna move on. There's also some glitter that came in here, some glitter gems. They're all different colors. I love that they're all different colors. Everyone usually always just gives you like one color, but there are literally 10 colors in here. Now it would be a lot cooler if these actually matched with the colors that I got, but it doesn't, because I don't have any green or blue or anything like that. So, but still cool. They give you a nice emery file board. There is an application brush they're going to give you. You are also going to get a solution for applying that you're going to add, which you guys will see in a little bit. You're going to add that directly over Polygel for you to be able to apply it. But be very careful with this. Like, I spilled it, so there's like half of it gone. But be very careful with this. You do not want to overuse this. You literally want to just barely dab it, because if you make the Polygel too wet, it is going to be way too complicating for it to stick onto your nail. It's going to keep lifting. You may have to hold it in place, which is what I had to do, because y'all, it took me like an hour to get through figuring out how to even get to doing the nails. So anyway, let's just keep going. So you start off with your base coat, which they give you, and then you put that underneath of the UV lamp, and then you just go ahead with your Polygel process. And then when you are done, you know, filing, shaping, and, you know, styling your nails however you want to, whether it's designs or, you know, just the colors and gems like I chose to, then you're going to take this glossy top coat and just put that over there and cure that underneath of the UV lamp as well. And there is also a little bit of glitter, and this glitter is super shimmery, you guys. Super shimmery. And they give you a little brush that you can apply it with. So that is everything that comes into this kit. So let's get on into using it and trying to get these nails on, right? Okay, so let's move into it. Make sure to clean your nails off with alcohol to remove any oils so the gel cures properly. Okay guys, so you are going to use a super thin layer of that base coat, and then you are going to cure that under the UV lamp for 90 seconds. So I am going to show you guys the first two failed attempts that I did try. The process is right. I did take some of that liquid and apply it directly onto the Polygel so that I can spread it out. You are going to need to do that. But as you can see here, I kept dipping and dipping and dipping until I got enough of that liquid on there to completely spread it out. But it did make it too thin, and it was not able to stick onto my finger. It literally popped right back off. So I did try to put it on, and then as soon as I went to clean up some of the excess around it, it popped right back off. So I tried again, and this time I tried and it still wouldn't do the same thing, and that's when I figured out there was something that I was doing wrong. So I realized that the liquid that they give you, you need to use it super duper thin, and then it will actually stick for you. So the next finger, I kind of got a good groove of exactly what it is that I needed to do to stick those on there so that the gel will stay and cure on my nail. But as you guys are going to see later, this one was also failed. There was a whole lot of hit and miss with this, okay? So the nail did actually cure this time, and it was amazing. I loved it. The nail cured, but it left a gap in the middle, and you guys will see that in a little bit. But it definitely set it up for me to be able to apply this so much easier, and I kind of got into a groove of being able to apply and go from there. Now is where I find that there was a mistake, and I pulled those off, and you could see that there was a bubble underneath of it. So I needed to clean that up. So what I did was I soaked my nails in acetone and then just popped them right off just like that, and then I started the process over so that I can get those nails corrected. So I wanted to make sure I showed you guys these things so that you can look out for these things to avoid, so that you don't have to spend that hour trying to figure out how to use it. And I really hope this is going to be super helpful for you guys. But yes, now I finally got a good groove of what's going, and I added that nail. I even tried to be extra, and I tried to blend the colors together on my on on one of my fingers, so you guys can see there's some glitter and pink in there. So let's see how those ones turn out. Yeah, so just keep going. And then here you're going to see there were some spaces that did not completely fill or cure. So I just went and added some of the polygel directly to my finger and then smoothed that out. And then I'm just going to let that cure as well. So again, this was my first time using it. The nails were not even, so I did have to cut them down and try and get, you know, them to the shape that I like. So I am just going to shape, file, and buff these to my liking. You can do that for yourself and figure out what shape it is that you want and put those in there. And then you can just move right on ahead with designing and styling your nails however you want to. And then you're going to just apply that top coat, and then you're going to allow that to cure for another 90 seconds, and you guys will be completely done. This was seriously so easy once I figured out how to put that formula together with the polygel and the liquid that they sent. After that, you guys, it was literally the easiest thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you do try this, let me know. Let me know. Seriously, let me know. But I'm not going to keep talking through the rest of this video. You guys, please just enjoy, and I hope you like it. Don't you love it? Love it, love it, love it, love it. Okay guys, so what did you think of these nails? Now, I'm going to be honest, this is literally a week later from me doing these nails. I did my nails for Mother's Day, and this is literally a week or so later, and the polygel nails are still perfectly intact. I mean, obviously they're not 100% salon quality. It was my first time doing these, but I really genuinely enjoy the way that they came out. I really enjoy how easy it is to use once you kind of get used to applying it, and again, once you figure out how much of the liquid to make sure that you put on the polygel, it's going to be like the smoothest process ever. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.